An AI built me a video game in about 9 seconds. I walked up to a metal wall, touched it, and dropped straight through into an endless black void. The fix is called a Gauntlet loop. 2 jobs, a builder and a critic. I'll show you what it caught in my game, then I'll show you the same mistake hiding in your resume. The most dangerous thing an AI can hand you is not something that looks broken, it's something that looks finished. I set out to build a full 3D shooter inside a single web page. No game engine, no downloaded artwork, no sound files. Every wall, every light, every gunshot written from scratch. I called it Reclamation. And I made the mistake almost everybody makes. One giant prompt. Hit enter, wait. What came back looked like magic. Glowing hallways, fog, robots, weapons, sound. Then I played it. Past that wall, it got worse. I met the boss robot. Its entire purpose in life was to hunt you down. That was the only reason it existed. Nobody ever checked how fast it moved. You could escape the ultimate killing machine by walking away from it. Not running, walking. The game looked done. The game was wrecked. Think about a movie set. From the camera's angle, the town is perfect. Storefronts, windows, doors. Walk behind it, plywood and sticks. That's what the AI is doing. It's building the shot, not the town. It hands you something that looks like the right answer. Nobody ever asked if it survives the real world. Making something and checking something are 2 completely different jobs. So stop giving the AI one job. Give it both. The builder goes first. Get something real on the screen fast. Because you can't test an idea, you can only test a thing. Then you bring in the critic, and this is where everybody blows it. You show the AI its own work, you ask, what do you think? And it says, great job, this looks fantastic. Of course it does, it's grading its own homework. So take the gloves off, say this, you are a harsh reviewer. Assume this work has serious problems. Find the broken logic, find the lazy guesses. List everything the builder missed. Watch what comes back. It's like a completely different machine. The critic never fixes anything. The critic only finds. You hand that list back to the builder and the builder repairs it. Then the critic tears into it again. And here's the part people miss. You don't have to run those rounds by hand. You can order them up front. Tell it, do this 5 times before you show me anything. Builder, critic, builder, critic. 5 rounds deep in one shot. Here's why I told you all that. I got lucky. My broken wall was visible. I fell through it. I knew. Ask an AI to write your resume, and what comes back is beautiful. Clean. Professional. You read it twice, you feel good, you send it out. What you don't know is that the job posting said inventory management 4 different times. Your beautiful resume never says it once. Before a human ever sees it, a computer program scans it for those exact words. It doesn't find them. You get filed. No error message, no alarm, you just never hear back. Same broken wall. You just don't get to watch yourself fall through it. You don't need special software. Run it right now in whatever chatbot you already use. 1 message, write a draft, then tear it apart as a harsh critic, then rewrite it to fix exactly what you found. Do that 5 times before you show me anything. Programmers run this loop automatically with tools like Claude code. Same loop, it just never gets tired. That wall I fell through, it's solid now. Took a lot of rounds. You can play it yourself. The link's in the description. Go find the wall. Anything can be made to look done. Make it survive instead.